What's up guys, it's Khoiii from Gentleman Within, and today I'm going to put some Rusk Firm Hold Styling Gel in my hair, and it is a 5 out of 6 firm hold. Yeah! Let's do this. Okay. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's good for now. If I need more, put more in. I need some more. Some extreme shine up in there. It's actually not that firm of a hold. It's not like some hair gels of yesteryear where I put it in and it just makes my hair stiff and just super hard. And that old like late 90s, like early 2000s style. I'm gonna do a little comb action. Hair sticking up in the back means it's a little too short back there, so I'm having trouble with getting the back of my hair to lay down. Sometimes I have that issue when it's still short and it's still growing out a little bit. I don't know, this firm hold stuff, it's definitely not a firm hold. It's behaving in a way that's kind of like a pomade or a wax, you know, not a gel. Definitely not firm at all. You can see it's like really loose and flowy. Let's apply some heat. So I wanted this video to be an example of why not to use hair gel, but I don't know, this product actually did a pretty decent job, and after blow drying it I was actually able to tease it a little bit and get a little bit of texture in there, which is something that I did not expect from a styling gel at all. In the past, I don't know, I haven't put gel on since I was like in high school, but usually when I put gel on, you know, it would just harden up my hair and just piece the hair together into like these pointy triangles, and it was just, I don't know, a terrible look. But this is a completely different experience of hair gel. It's got like a matte type finish, so I feel like you can kind of like play around with it, mess with it, and then like go throughout your day and go to bed, wake up, and then your hair is going to be still in pretty good shape, which I'm really surprised, I'm really shocked right now. So yeah, and this is definitely not a promotion for this brand. I just had some hair gel laying around in my bathroom that I figured I would just give it a try and show an example of why not to use hair gel. But yeah, that didn't turn out the way I expected it to, so it's actually a pretty decent product. So Firm Hold Styling Gel, 5 out of 6, not bad. Directions: use on wet or dry hair to texturize, lift, separate, or slick. So it's pretty versatile. It's got 4 options there. For a wet look, air dry without combing. And so I did not do that. I used the hair dryer, and here is the result. After wetting my hair, drying it with a towel, applying it, hitting it with some heat, and then teasing it. Not bad. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Just thought I'd do a quick hair styling piece on why not to use hair styling gel, but this actually turned out to be pretty decent, so I have nothing bad to say about this product. And you know, guess I'm changing my thoughts a little bit about hair styling gels. I guess they really come a long way since the days of yesteryear, the Axe hair gels, or what are those hair gel brands that we used to use? The Got To Be or whatever that you find in the drugstores. But anyways, that's all I got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this. I'm going to start doing some hair styling stuff. Got videos on men's style, especially lookbooks, product brand reviews, all that good stuff. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, get alerts anytime I put out an update. Alright, that's all I got. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace. So,